Good day, and welcome to Hiroshima University's English Podcast. Oh, hi, Kay.
Hi, Joe.
Achoo!
Bless you.
Achoo!
Bless you, bless you.
Achoo!
Good grief. 皆さん、こんにちは。今日のテーマはくしゃみです。ジョーはちょっとくしゃみ大変そうでしたね。最後に私が good grief と言いましたが、これはやれやれとかもういいよって感じですね。
Right, good grief. When you don't like something, you can say
good grief.
That's right.
Joe, are you alright now?
Yeah, somehow I survived the sneezing.
Okay, in that case, can you tell us a little about sneezing?
Sure. First of all, when a person sneezes, it means that some irritant is inside the person's nose and the nose lining.
なんかこう、鼻腔というか鼻の穴のところになんか異物が入ってくるとくしゃみしちゃうんですね。
That's right. An irritant has gotten into the nose lining, it's called. For example, irritant, some dust.
ほこりですね。ほこりとかチリとかですね。
Right, or some pollen.
花粉ですね。
Right. Everyone can open your mouth very big on that one. Pollen.
Pollen.
For example, I'm allergic to pollen. Or another irritant is animal fur.
動物の毛とかですね。
Right, so maybe dust or pollen or animal fur. So it gets into your nose, and what happens when you sneeze is first you take a deep breath, and then very quickly your tongue goes to the top of your mouth.Your
tongue goes to the top of your mouth?
That's right. And then you sneeze and air travels very quickly out the nose.
くしゃみするとベロがなんか口外の方にくっついてものすごいスピードで空気が抜けて出るらしいんですね。Anything else about sneezing?
The speed of the spray going out of your nose in your mouth is up to 160 kilometers per hour.
Oh my gosh! 106km 毎時で飛沫が飛ぶらしいです。
Right, up to 160 kilometers per hour, the speed of the spray. And the spray may go about 1.5 meters.
Okay, it's still pretty long though.
Yeah, 1.5 meters is pretty far, right? And another thing, when a person sneezes, the person usually closes his or her eyes, right? You cannot keep your eyes open when you sneeze.
Oh yes, true. I didn't recognize that, yeah.
If you try, you cannot keep your eyes open. And another thing about sneezing is that when you're sleeping, you cannot sneeze. The nerves that are affecting sneezing, they kind of rest too when you're sleeping.
Okay.
So people really do not sneeze when they're sleeping deeply.
Right. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Wow. くしゃみっていうのは誰しもするものだと思うんですけど、今日は世界のくしゃみに対する違う考え方とかについてお話ししたいと思います。まずはスローなスピードで聞いてみてください。
Excuse me.
Bless you, Yuki.
What do you mean, Emma?
Oh, you don't know? Usually, we say, God bless you, or bless you, when someone sneezes. I heard that people used to believe that when you sneeze, your soul might shoot out of you, and then the devil could get in your body. So we say, God bless you, in order to protect you from evils.
I see. Thank you. Hey.There's a similar thought in Japan. People here used to think we lose our souls when someone takes our pictures. Also, they thought that the person who appeared in the center of a photo was going to die earlier.
Really? That's interesting. Now Japanese love taking pictures anytime and anywhere.
Look at this. This is my friend's Twitter. He posts tons of pictures. And this is the latest one.
Let me see. Oh, my gosh. He's sneezing in the center of the picture.
Let's say it together. Ready? Bless you.
So they have a picture with a person standing in the center and sneezing.
So lots of bad lucks.
That's right. The person needs a good bless you.
まずこのスクリプトの最初で男の人はハクション失礼というふうに言ってます。So how do you say ハクション in English?
Usually it's Achoo.
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 It's a little bit cute.
Yeah. But it's kind of similar to the Japanese, right? Achoo.
Achoo. で、そこで女の人がBless you 神様のご加護がありますようにというふうに言います。で、男の人はどういう意味っていうふうに聞きます。で、女の人は私たちは誰かがくしゃみをしたら神様のご加護がありますようにっていうのよというふうに言ってます。God bless you で神様のご加護がありますようにという意味です。
Right. God bless you or bless you. It's the same. Both are good. If one of your friends sneezes, you can say
God bless you.
That's right. It's very, very polite.
昔はなんでこんなことするかっていうと、くしゃみすると魂、soul が体から飛び出していっちゃうって考えられてたんですね。To shoot out of 何々で飛び出すってことです。
Right. They worried that the soul might shoot out of the body. So a different person will say bless you like that.
Sure. Could you give one more example of this to shoot out?
Sure. For example, the spaceship shot out of the atmosphere. So remember, the past is shot, right? Yesterday, last week, the spaceship shot out of the atmosphere. Or to give a couple more examples even, he was very busy. He shot out of the room.
Okay.
He shot out of the room. Or he shot out the door. They often say that too.
Okay.
Oh, he was busy. He shot out the door. That means he went out the door very quickly.
And what happens next if somebody sneezes?
If somebody sneezes, the devil could get in your body. There's a possibility, right? The devil could get in your body.
魂が抜けたその後釜に悪魔、the devil が入ってくるんじゃないかって信じられてたんですね。
That's right. Kay, do you think devils are kind of scary?
Well, could be.
Usually if you see some art or something of a devil, it looks kind of scary, right?
で、だから悪からその人を守ってあげるために God bless you って言ってあげるんですね。And evil で悪とかなんか悪い心ってことですね。
Right, saying God bless you protects that person from evils.
で実は日本でも似たような考え方があったんですね。日本だと写真を撮ったらその人の魂が抜けちゃうんじゃないかっていうふうに考えられてました。でも今は日本人ですごくたくさん写真撮りますよねと女の人言ってます。男の人は、これ僕の友達のツイッターなんだけど、彼はたくさん写真をあげるんだっていうふうに言ってます。tons of でたくさんめちゃくちゃっていう意味です。
Right, and people use this a lot in conversation.
Yes.
For example, I have tons of homework. Or she drank tons of beer. You can use it with anything, countable things or uncountable things, right?
So kind of like a lot of.
Right. There were tons of people in Hiroshima train station, for example, like that.
で、そのたくさんのめちゃくちゃある写真の中の一番最新のやつがこれなんだけど見てっていうふうに言ってます。The latest で最新という意味です。
Right, that's an easy one. The latest means the most recent one.
Could you give an example?
This is the latest technology. It's very new technology. You hear that a lot. Or, that entry in the blog is the latest. That entry in the blog is the latest, for example. And with that, let's listen at natural speed.
Achoo! Excuse me.
Bless you, Yuki.
What do you mean, Emma?
Oh, you don't know? Usually, we say, God bless you, or bless you, when someone sneezes. I heard that people used to believe that when you sneeze, your soul might shoot out of you and then the devil could get in your body. So we say, God bless you, in order to protect you from evils.
I see. Thank you. Hey, there's a similar thought in Japan. People here used to think we lose our souls when someone takes our pictures. Also, they thought that the person who appeared in the center of a photo was going to die earlier.
Really? That's interesting. Now, Japanese love taking pictures anytime and anywhere.
Look at this. This is my friend's Twitter. He posts tons of pictures, and this is the latest one.
Let me see. Oh my gosh! He's sneezing in the center of the picture.
Let's say it together. Ready?
Bless you!
やっぱりなんか人間の体の構造的にくしゃみはみんなするものですから、世界各国くしゃみに対するいろんな習慣がありますね。この魂が抜ける系の迷信とかも世界中たくさんありそうなので、ぜひお友達とお話ししてみてください。
And we hope that you do not sneeze in your daily life. So we hope you're not allergic to things. We hope you don't get a cold. So try not to sneeze too much.
Yeah, take care. And see you next time at Hiroshima University's English podcast.
Bye.
Bye. 皆さん、Questions from our listeners のコーナーです。
Thank you for your questions.
And today's question is from Every in Yamaguchi Prefecture to Joe.
Every is a unique name. I wonder why Every.
広島には Every ってスーパーがあるけどね。
Oh, okay, okay.
And what English words coined in Japan do you think are strange? Coined っていうのは外来語とか日本で作られた日本語英語みたいなことですね。
Okay, which katakana words are kind of strange?
Yes.
Okay, I will go the top 3 that I think are strange from number 3 to number 1.
Okay.
Number 3 I will say is biking. In English it's really a buffet or all you can eat. So I don't really understand when I hear the word biking, right? It's a buffet in English. I like to eat buffets, or I like to eat all you can eat dinners or places like that. Okay, and the second and the first strangest ones are kind of related. Number 2, I will say, is office lady.
OL さんのことですね。
Right, so office lady is not English. You would say she is an employee, or she is a secretary, she's an assistant, or even she's an office worker. That's okay, but an office lady is not English, right? And number 1 is kind of related. It is a salaryman. Salaryman is not English. In English, you need to say exactly what the work is. For example, he is a businessman, or she is an executive in a company, or he is a government employee. That's okay, I guess. But you need to be a little more exact. You cannot say a salaryman.
それではまだまだ Twitter、Facebook アプリのレビューから皆さんの質問をお待ちしております。ぜひぜひどうぞ。
Hi.